everyone, this week for Lit Term Tuesday I want to start with a little quick quiz. Take a look at these two characters and see if you know who they are. So on the left we have Shakespeare's very famous troubled Prince of Denmark, Hamlet, and on the right we have the smug teenaged face of Ferris Bueller from Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Two more different characters you can't find, but yes, both of them share a very interesting technique. Any idea what it is? Funny you should ask. Both of them use different elements of interior monologue, breaking through the fourth wall, as they distinguish their stories. So jot down those definitions and let's see how you understand how they use those techniques. So interior monologue is a narrative technique that it records a character's internal flows of memories or ideas. So monologue itself is a long passage speech by a character in a play. Other characters are on stage, they're listening to this one character have big juicy part. Interior monologue means that it's a lengthy bit of text, but it's explaining the interior ideas. So, okay, next step, soliloquy. So what we have Hamlet doing in this scene right here, this is the famous to be or not to be soliloquy. He's alone on stage, he's talking to the skull of York, his old servant, but basically by himself. And that's an extensive speech while he's alone on stage. So sometimes a character is talking to a skull, or talking to a mirror, or talking to a journal, writing a journal and saying out loud what's being written, so we have access to something that's in his mind. And finally, we have the aside. An aside is a comment made by character directly to us and is called breaking through the fourth wall. So the character knows that we're there and he knows that we're there, and it's definitely used by this young boy. He looks straight into the camera and he's talking to us, and we feel like we are in this joke with him, and that's a very enjoyable technique. So here we go, 3 different approaches. It's letting the characters know what is inside of the person's head. So jot this down and I will be asking you questions about 3 different techniques, and I will talk to you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.